Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Max, and today we'll be working on my wife's Hyundai I20. We'll be replacing the back rotors. So my wife has been complaining about the brake pulsation while she drives. Well, let's get started. So safety's first. We're gonna put the car on the stands. I'm gonna grab my jack stand and slide the car on the stand. So to remove the lock nuts, we're gonna need a 21mm socket and the impact gun, so make it easier. So let's do it. So in order to remove the rotors, we're gonna need to remove two 12mm bolts that's holding the caliper. That's gonna be right here. There's one here and one here, and another 14mm for the bracket that's holding the calipers down. There's one here and one at the bottom. And also we're gonna remove the fasteners that holds down the brake lines. As you can see, that one right there, and pop out that wire. After that, we're gonna remove the one screw that's down there, and that's pretty much it. We can put in the new rotors. Down the caliper, that's a 14mm instead of 12. Since that screw has been replaced, normally that's the hard part to replace, to remove. We're gonna take off the rotor now. In order to take out the rotor, we're gonna need to release the handbrake. And now let's take the rotor. And now we're gonna remove the old rubber boot on the old rotor and put on the new rotor. Now we're gonna test if that slider pin still slides. That's good, and that's good, so we don't have to worry about it. So we might need to push the piston back a little bit because we got the new rotors, which is a little bit more thicker than the old ones. And that's it. So that's a 70mm spanner. Final step, we're gonna torque down the wheel. We're gonna torque down the lug nut to 89 foot-pounds. Alright guys, that's how you do a rear brake rotor and pads replacement. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's the next week already, so you probably won't be able to tell. So I've replaced the rotors last week. It's been a whole week. I've been testing out the brakes. The pulsation is still there. It got a little bit better, but it's still there. So what we're gonna do some inspections on the front rotors and pads. Yeah, it didn't exactly turn out as what I wanted to be. And I forgot to mention that when you replace the rotors or you put in new brake pads, be sure to bed in those rotors or brake pads according to manufacturer instructions. We'll definitely put a pause on that pulsation. Before that, we'll keep making more videos about this. Alright, peace. Thanks for watching.